Welcome to Glam Bam Thank You Ma'am. Today we're thanking Sam. So Glam Bam Thank You Sam. Here we are with celebrity co-founder of Rose Rescue and celebrity hairstylist Scotty. Oh wait, also my first friend in LA, Scotty Cunha.
Hi.
Okay, so can you knock my socks off? Can you glam bam thank you ma'am, Sam?
You know, I'm obsessed with the sun. I love tanning. Thank God we are so blessed with the best weather ever in LA. And so I wanted to show you my #1 trick for contouring naturally my face. I love to have like a strong jawline and I love to have like a little highlighter around my face. So I wanted to tell you about my favorite trick. I think you can use any stick, but can you see, or is my light too bright?
There it is.
There it is.
Hampton Sun.
This Hampton Sun 45 SPF sports stick is everything. This is my favorite one. So my first thing ever is I wash my face and then I prep it with rose water spray and then I put the hyaluronic acid over the rose water spray. So my face is kind of like wet when I'm putting on hyaluronic acid because I feel like it really like soaks it in.
Got it. Okay, show me this trick.
Okay.
Kill me.
So I literally do tiger stripes, like Tiger King, on my face. So I do from the start of my under eye all the way up into my hairline.
Whoa, Carol Baskin. Okay.
And then I do the other side, like that. And then I do another one. I usually do about 3.
Okay.
So I'm going like this. And I literally do it really dramatic. Like,
yeah, like you're going to go do a play, Shakespeare in the Park.
This is me in full drag.
I love it, with your cat eye.
And then I do my nose.
Okay.
All the way down the middle. And this is why I'm obsessed with this stick, because it's so easy and you don't have to like, it's not hard. Look how skinny I'm making my nose already.
Yeah.
So then I do my nose and then I do a little bit right in the middle of my 11s because sometimes like I'm in the sun so much, I get like, unfortunately, I don't have any work done.
Yeah.
So I get little tan line wrinkles, which I hate.
Oh, wherever the skin is like wrinkled. I get it. Okay.
I get a tan line there. And I know everyone yells at me for being in the sun, but that's just like me. I have to be in the sun. I can't not be in the sun.
I get it. It's spicy.
So let me do my nose a little more dramatic. On the tip of my nose all the way up. So I literally just do a T, under eye, 3 times.
Okay.
So easy to travel with. Then I get my SPF 15.
Okay, Hampton Sun. Okay, I didn't realize they had all these products. Okay.
Oh yeah, their SPF 15 sunscreen. I reapply all day because I know some people think SPF 15 is like not a lot and some people need like 50 or 100. But I reapply this all the time. So I feel good with the SPF 15, okay? So I do a couple of pumps and then I blend in my stripes with the SPF.
Oh.
And then I do that. And I do all this, and then I'm just blending. And I leave it because I like to be dramatic.
Yeah.
But if someone's like at a pool and they want to look stunning, you can blend in a little bit more, but I don't mind the drama of it. And then I just do that. By the way, like I'm by myself, so I just literally, I know my face, so I just blend it in. I don't even know what I look like until I'm taking a selfie. And there you go.
I love it. Okay, so what do you call this?
I don't know. I literally don't have a name for it. It's just, I'm literally doing like a sun contour.
Sun contour. You're tan and then you're creating that contour.
I'm naturally, and you, like when I take photos, like I can see like, if some people have sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend this. I'm like a sun person. Yeah. Maybe do like a stronger, like 45 for me is a lot. So like maybe if you do the 45 under the eye and then you can do like your SPF 50 or whatever, your like Super Goop has that great mist. That's everything. So maybe do that. I also like the sports stick because it's good for like sweat. So if you're sweating, your eyes aren't stinging. Like that's why I love the like sports stick. You know what I mean? Because people are afraid to put sunblock so close to their eyes because it hurts. The sport, I guess, sticks really well and it doesn't burn my eyes, which I love. Another thing that I love about doing my under eye is we all have fine lines around this eye. As we get older, I feel like putting extra sunblock there really helps with my fine lines.
Also, I would imagine in a picture, it blurs them out.
Exactly.
Bingo! Well, there it is. Oh my God, I love it. If you want your hair to look and feel better, not brittle, you need to give it fortification. How are you going to do it? Rose Rescue.
Rose Rescue. I love it as a leave-in. It's super light. You can use it every day. It's the best product ever. It's perfect for self-care in quarantine.
Love it.
And it's cute to have on your shelf.
So cute. Well, you know what I want to say? Glam bam, thank you, ma'am. Sam.
You're welcome.
I can say ma'am. Who cares, right?
Yeah, ma'am is cute.
Ma'am is cute. Well, I will say.
What are you going to say? Glam bam, thank you, miss? No.
Thank you, miss.
Why Sam, though?
I was trying to like ma'am for the women, Sam for the men. I don't know.
Honey, it's 2020. There's no
Yeah,
gender.
everybody's a ma'am. Glam bam,
Honey.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes, we are all queens.
We are all queens. And if you're not, don't come on the show, okay? All right, I love you, Scott. Thank you.
I love you too.
Glam bam, thank you, ma'am.
Glam bam, thank you, ma'am. Queen, glam bam.